Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reorder Word pages. To start, open the Word file. Then, from the File menu, select the New and Blank Document option. After that, you are going to drag this new document to the side of the desktop so that it is anchored, and repeat the same with the original file. Now in the first file, adjust the zoom level. You are going to copy the content of the second page. Right-click and select Copy. Then on the first page of the blank document, right-click and select Paste. The next step is to select the content of the first page of the original file, right-click and click Copy. On the second page of the document, you are going to right-click and select Paste. Finally, in the first file, copy the contents of 2 or more pages. Right-click and select Copy. In the document again, right-click on another page and select Paste. This is the way to reorder pages in a Word document. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.